History. Southland, a pioneer in pontoon boat manufacturing, was founded with a vision to provide families and friends with a safe and enjoyable on-water experience. For years, Southland has been dedicated to ensuring that pontoon boat owners can create lasting memories on rivers and lakes, offering a safe and stable platform for leisure activities. Best inventions. Southland's legacy is built on its commitment to innovation in pontoon boat design. The brand's best inventions revolve around creating a versatile and enjoyable experience for boat owners. From the spacious and flat deck that allows free movement to the premium 200 watts radio system, Southland pontoon boats are designed to transform rides into memorable parties. The emphasis on safety, stability, and durability is reflected in every innovation, ensuring that customers have a great time on the water. Current status. As of today, Southland stands as a leading pontoon boat manufacturer, synonymous with safety, stability, and lasting enjoyment on the water. The brand's commitment to quality is evident in its fine boats that have stood the test of time.